Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, we are in the kitchen. So today I am going to make some Tinga Tostadas. It's a real simple and easy recipe that I love. My mom and my sisters told me how to do it, so I'm gonna try to follow instructions and see how it comes out. So if you guys want to see that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so what you guys need is a full chicken. I went ahead and did the easiest thing, which is to buy a chicken that was already cooked. What to do now is kind of tear it apart and put all the chicken in this little bowl right here that I have. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I took out all the bones and now I am just going to thin the meat out into little strips. I want it this thin. Now I'm gonna put some oil on this pan. I'm gonna let the oil heat up just a little bit and then I'm gonna put in the onion. So while I wait for the oil to get hot, I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up the onion. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oil. So I'm just gonna put it in here until it's ready. So yeah, it's gonna be maybe 4 minutes. I went ahead and put a little bit of water, just and as you guys can tell, the onion is almost ready. So can you guys see how the onion is becoming transparent? You can kind of see through it. That's how you know it's ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken in. Okay guys, I already put the chicken in there. I'm gonna leave it in there for like a few more minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the chipotle sauce. That's right there. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit to simmer. And then in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna go and chop up some spinach.
Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.